Disney merch you can score right now that supports Black Lives Matter. Hey guys, it's Juliet from Perfecting the Magic, your home for a chic Disney lifestyle. Today, we're walking you through Disney merch that you can pick up that's supporting Black Lives Matter. There's been a huge outpouring of support from the Disney small shop community, with many of the shop creators creating exclusive lines with either part or all of the proceeds donated to charities that support Black Lives Matter related causes. Today, I'm gonna walk you through some of my favorite finds, and I'll tell you exactly where to pick up each of these awesome pieces of merch. First up is this cup from For the Love of Pixie Dust. In case you haven't noticed, there's a huge crossover between Disney and Starbucks, with pretty much every girl on Instagram, and a lot of guys too, sporting their cold cups. This cup was created exclusively to support a great cause, with all the proceeds from this one going to the Big Brothers Big Sister organization. You can score this cup for $15 over on their website. Next up is this sticker line from Hooligan Fantasy Pin. The line features 4 unique designs. My favorite is this one featuring Esmeralda. She's got the word silence crossed out and she's demanding justice. Each one of the stickers in this line will run you $4, and all proceeds from these stickers are going to support Camping Zero. So maybe you're looking for something that's a little bit more subtle. Check out this t-shirt from the Childless Millennial Pretzel Co. Which, by the way, is just like a hilarious shop name. So this shirt is sporting the It's a Small World After All logo, and I really love the minimal design on this t-shirt. I think it would look fantastic paired with a leather jacket and maybe some jean shorts as well. The t-shirt's running you $26, and this shirt also goes to support Campaign Zero. Check out this pin from the Enchanted Thoughts Co. This is actually probably my favorite piece of anything I'm gonna show you today, and I already scored one for myself. Right now, they're only releasing B-series pins, which means there might be some minor imperfections on them, but it also comes at a discount. So you can pick up this pin for $12 with all proceeds going to support the National Action Network. Have you been spending a lot of time in face masks? I'm guessing you have been. And if you haven't, why haven't you been spending a lot of time in face masks? Check out this one from Attractioneering, which is a fantastic Black-owned small shop. Now, I love absolutely everything in this store, so if you haven't checked out their purses, t-shirts, it's definitely worth taking a browse around this shop. The face mask has all proceeds donated to the NAACP, and I love the bright, colorful design on this. There's been so much excitement about this t-shirt that just launched from the 100 Acre Hood Co. This is another Black-owned small Disney shop. Now this t-shirt has imagery that I've seen all across the Disney community popping up, and I just love it. It's those 2 Mickey hands joined together, and this shirt tells everyone what your beliefs are. So it says "End Racism" right up front on the shirt. The shirt will cost you $20 with all proceeds donated to the Bail Project. Does your Disney t-shirt drawer already overflow with? Check out this set from Magical Accessories. These are Magic Band charms, which means you can pop them right inside your band for an extra added pop of Disney color. These charms will cost you $10, and all proceeds are being donated to the NAACP. But maybe you've got room in there for one more tank top. I love the message on this tank from the 3 Wishes Co. Kindness is magical. If there's anything the Disney community can support, I certainly hope it's this message. So this tank top will cost you $25 with all proceeds being donated to the Black Visions Collective. And I think this is another one that is gonna look super chic on your park hops.
I do love a happy ending, don't you?
Now, there were so many items out in the Disney community supporting this cause that we couldn't possibly fit them all into one video. So head on over to our website, perfectingthemagic.com, to see our complete list. Here at Perfecting the Magic, we love supporting Disney small shops. So if you'd like to be in the know about new finds from small shops or great causes like this, hit that subscribe button on the YouTube channel here to be the first to know about when we release new videos. I'm Juliet signing off. We'll see you on over at the website and of course, inside the parks.